Hello. Okay, looks like it's that time of the month, once again, Loot Crate. Before I actually start this video, I think I might have to deglove, if that's okay. Sorry if it kind of ruins the illusion. Because I know what they say, no glove, no love. Wait, what? I'm not even sure what I was going for there. There we are, that's better. So if you guys have never seen my Loot Crate unboxings before in the past, I'll quickly sum up what they're all about. Basically, every single month I get one of these boxes. Inside is just random toys, games, gadgets, fluffy things. Stuff to make you happy. Sometimes you get stuff like pop figures or t-shirts, just things to make you smile. The actual stuff in the crate is always centered around one particular theme. The theme for this box is Explore. And I should mention, this is actually December 2017's Loot Crate, because as you guys know, I'm still trying to catch up with my unboxing videos of these guys. So this box has been sitting there for 2 months and I've been dying to open it. That actually leads me nicely onto my next point. These boxes are completely sealed. I haven't opened it at all yet because I want to open it when it's nice and fresh and brand new for you guys on camera. That way it makes it a nice little special surprise for both of us. Yeah. Plus it's always fun to try and guess what stuff could be in it. With a theme like Explore, I don't actually know. Like, I have no idea at all. Oh, and I probably should point out what's going on my face. As always, I do these unboxings in a character makeup, just to make it a bit more fun, or in this instance, a little bit more fabulous.
Oh, yes.
This time, I'm dressed up as Little Poundcake from RuPaul's Drag Race. I'll pop a link on the screen right now and in the description bar below to the tutorial where I teach you guys how to do this makeup, if you'd like to learn how to do it for yourself. But aside from all that, let's open this box, because it's just been sitting there, eyeing me up, begging me to open it, so I'm gonna do it. There is a joke in there somewhere, you know, about me playing with a box, but it's a bit of a stretch, to be honest. Ew, oh god. So with all that said, let's open it. Okay. Are we ready? Haha. So I'm not gonna look, I'm gonna try and find the t-shirt though, because the t-shirt always comes with each box. Okay, so I'll let you guys see it first, as always. Bloop, bloop. Go on, is it good? Ha, bloop. Okay, so it's Destiny, unless I'm very much mistaken. Bam. So that's pretty awesome, although I'll be honest, it's not my most favourite of game. I've only played a little bit of it. And I think I've only played the first one. I didn't realise there was a second one, I had to be perfectly honest. Whoops. Cool t-shirt though. I'd imagine Graham would like it. So not a great start, but let's see what else we have. Bloom. What? What's this? Okay, so we have Boom. It's very heavy, whatever it is. Oh! Oh, it's The Witcher. I've been playing that since Christmas. Oh, how fun. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Well, this is highly appropriate. How beautiful is that? It's really heavy as well. It's proper metal. Blimey. Oh, that's gorgeous. Both me and Graham got into this game at Christmas. It's fantastic. And we both love our drinks, so yeah, bottled up. I do love when they include stuff like this, stuff that's really proper well made, but like proper niche, just nice. Just one of them things where it makes something that's an everyday kind of boring item a bit more fabulous. Oh, that's fantastic. My wine just got a bit more fierce. Okay, next. Boom. Okay, so straight away I can see Guardians of the Galaxy. I'm a very big, massive fan of Guardians of the Galaxy, so this is perfect for me. And not just because how freaking gorgeous Chris Pratt is, I mean, that's obvious, but... Rocket! Yay. Oh, it's a mini calendar! Cute! That's actually really adorable. I'm not sure how well that's picking up, but isn't that cool? I'm not sure how much you're going to be able to write on it, because it's tiny, but... I think it's one of my more favourite franchises, Guardians of the Galaxy. It's just absolutely perfect. I couldn't pick one thing wrong with it, I love it. And let's be honest, Baby Groot makes it that much better. Although, without spoiling things, Teenage Groot. There's a point actually, I keep meaning to do a Nebula makeup. That needs to happen. Actually, Gamora as well, come to think of it. Wait, have I done any? I haven't done a single Guardians of the Galaxy makeup yet. What the hell? Why have I not done that? I can think of at least 5 that I want to do right now. Well, I think we know what my next series is going to be. Okay, next, I think we're probably towards the end now. Yep, here we are. Okay, so we'll start with a comic book. I'm not going to look too much at it yet. I'm just going to show you guys first. Bam. So there we are. As you guys know, I love it when they include comic books. I just like the smell, I just like the illustrations, I just like the general passion that goes into one of them. So let's have a look what we got here. And again, bit of a miss for me this, unfortunately, because it is Star Wars. I'm not saying I don't like Star Wars, I'm saying I have never seen it. I'd imagine that I've upset a few people out there. I apologise. It's not that I don't want to watch Star Wars, it's just I've never actually just sat down and watched them all. I kind of need like someone to do it with me, and none of my like immediate friends have seen it either, so makes it difficult. So this might be a little bit of a pass for me, but I'm sure someone out there would like this. I will open it though to have a look at it, just to see what all the fuss is about. Oh, it's got that comic smell, I like that. Okay, so it's not like regular comics, it's proper full-on colour and printed, and it's not as... what am I trying to think of? It doesn't feel... I know they're not all hand-drawn, but it doesn't feel hand-drawn, if that makes sense. It feels a bit more mass-produced. But nah, that's fine. It might just be me kind of reflecting the fact that I've not seen Star Wars, so I don't want to get into it, but... but it's still really pretty artwork. I just wish I knew what it was all about. I need to make it my goal before the end of 2018 to have watched at least one Star Wars film. I need people to like tweet me every day just to annoy me saying, have you watched it yet? Have you watched it yet? I'm not going to stop until you've watched it. That kind of thing. Although, is it easier to mute or watch the film? I wouldn't do that, don't worry. And the last thing that's in the box, of course, is the Loot Crate pin, which is super cute. I do love collecting these. It's a little rocket ship. It's just nice to have like a whole like lanyard or a hat with them all attached. I've got a lanyard that I got from YouTube a long time ago that I just attached them all to. It's nice. It's one of them things that were never a collection, but it's suddenly become one overnight. I love it. And something that's different. Oh, hang on. Usually the next thing is the Loot Crate book, but we don't have that now. They must have changed it from December. Now we have this, which is fine, but I've got used to the book because the book used to tell you everything that's in the box, everything about each item, and then a couple little extra facts about the theme. So for December, instead we have a card that says Explore, and on the back it says everything that's in it. So it's like a little checklist. Oh, fair enough. I suppose it makes it more streamlined. I do miss the book though. Ah well. And the very last thing is that the box itself turns inside out to become something interesting and fabulous. So I'm just gonna quickly go do that. Bam. So straight away I can see this is Star Wars, isn't it? This is definitely Star Wars. I'm never going to escape it, am I? So sometimes the box turns into like an item, like a hammer or something, or sometimes it turns into a diorama. This time it's just turned into a pretty box, so it just looks more interesting than the actual just generic black box, but it's interesting, it's pretty, but again, it's Star Wars, so I'm sure I'll appreciate it more once I've seen the films. Until then, I'll probably just maybe turn it back inside out. Yeah. Just another painful reminder that I've not seen it. And there we go, so that's December's Loot Crate box. Again, I'm really sorry that it is December and obviously not the current month's box, but as I said, I am trying to catch up as quickly as I can with these boxes. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to collect Loot Crate for yourself, I'll pop a link on the screen right there. And if you pop in the code PinkStylist, you'll get 10% off your orders, which is pretty nice. Unfortunately, you might not be able to get this month's box because, of course, it's a couple months behind, but you get the general idea of the kind of stuff that you get in these boxes. But as I always say, you don't have to collect the boxes for yourself. You can just come back to my videos every month and watch me unbox mine, because it's a nice, fun treat. And I know it sounds weird, and I know these videos aren't live, but it's just so nice to open them new with you guys watching. It just feels like we enjoy them together, and I love reading the comments about the stuff that we get, and I don't know, I just love doing it. So with all that said, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to check out the video in the description bar below about this makeup if you wanted to learn how to do it, or just in general see how it was done. Now I am going to go enjoy a bottle of wine, because why not? Why not? I have to laugh at myself or I'll cry. Deary me. Boop. So until next time, yeah. Bye guys!